Okay guys, here we are, LRC4 Leather Protection Cream. Got an inbuilt barrier, a specialist barrier protection, like an advanced technology. When something becomes wet, its sort of molecules open up and protect all your leather surface. Quite an intelligent sort of system that it's got built into it. It helps to, obviously it feeds leather, it softens leather, and just protects against all sorts of things like curry, juice, coffee, tea, red wine, pen, like biro, ink, stuff like that, you know, kids' juices and things, sweets dropped on it. It'll protect against anything and everything that you can possibly think of that you're going to sort of get spilt or onto your leather surface. It's a fantastic product that works on a multitude of things. Other than suede and nubuck, it won't work on those, but it works on aniline, it works on all your crust, it works on all your fake leathers like your Artico and your Synthetic and your Mercs and your BMWs. It works on things like Pinatex, which is pineapple leaves, believe it or not. Yes, leather made from pineapple leaves called Pinatex. It's in the shoe industry quite a fair bit. So it works on everything. It works on classic cars. It's fantastic for classic cars. It's brilliant for modern furniture and older furniture. Works on all sorts of items like leather jackets, leather trousers, motorcycle suits, tabletops, you name it, it will work on it, you know, from aviation to boats to cars, you know, it works on anything that's leather. Whether it's pigmented leather like this, or whether it's an open pore leather, like your sort of crust leathers and stuff like that. It works on those sort of things. It's brilliant. Obviously, protecting leather, you need to clean the leather surface first of all. So you would clean with our multi-award winning LRC1 leather cleaner. Make sure the surface is completely dry and all dirt is removed. And then you would pick up our LRC4 multi-award winning leather protection cream. This went through some mega tests and shone up above everything else that was on the test and won unreservedly against everything that you can possibly think of. It protected against everything. It went through all sorts of rub fast tests and stuff like that for denim and things and ink and curry and turmeric. It went through anything and everything you can think of test wise, and it stood up basically against almost everything you can think of. With this machine constantly rubbing on the surface of the leather, this product won above every competitor in the market that was in this automotive test that was carried out. So it's a fantastic product. And it, as I say, it works on everything. The beauty of it is it's got this beautiful, amazing leather aroma in there, like an antique leather aroma smell. So in something like your classic car, it infuses the smell into the leather and it just, you know, it's in the air. It's absolutely superb. You can imagine it, you walk into your living room, you've got this on the leather furniture and you can just smell that beautiful leather smell straight away. It's an immediate smell, so it's fantastic. Application is very, very simple. Obviously, like I say, LRC1 first, clean the leather. If it's aniline, obviously you'll use our aniline leather cleaner. Apply a small amount onto the pad like so, and you just simply wipe over the surface. Like that, massaging it into the surface. You can leave it, if you want, to naturally dry, or you can just speed it up with a hairdryer if you wanted, but just let that naturally dry in like so, and that'll give a fantastic protection to the leather. It dries matte, so it's not glossy or shiny or anything like that. It gives a complete natural look and feel to it, and it gives that fantastic protection layer on there that is going to protect your leather against all the elements you can possibly think of on anilines, pigmented, and all your fake faux and everything else. So you don't need a special protector for things like your fake leathers and your faux, because this will work on it to perfection. You can buff that if you wanted to, just over the surface with a cloth like so once it's dried, and just buff off any residue and just lock in that protection. And that is simply how you use LRC4 Leather Protection Cream. Works perfectly, as I say, on all types of leathers, including classic cars, modern furniture and modern cars, and all sorts of leather clothing, jackets, motorcycle suits, you name it. It will work on it, whether it's fake leather or genuine leather. LRC4 Leather Protection Cream.